Hi, and welcome to the next installment in our series, Homes in Hoover, Alabama under $400,000. In today's episode, we'll be looking at 5 homes zoned for Green Valley Elementary School, which feeds into the Hoover High School. First up, we have 3413 Cray Rich Drive. Built in 1960, this home is listed at $299,900. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, all on one level, at 1,266 square feet. Next up is 3409 Frank Avenue. This home was built in 1964 and has 1,254 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and is listed at $359,000. 3440 Strollaway Drive is next on our list. Listed at $365,000, this 1,743 square foot home was built in 1968, has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. All right, 2 homes left. Now we're looking at 1856 Wisterwood Drive, built in 1960. This home is listed at $379,900. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 2,320 square feet. Our final home is 1895 Tall Timber Circle. This 1,685 square foot home is listed at $384,600 and offers 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, as well as an outbuilding. Thanks for watching our Green Valley edition of Homes in Hoover, Alabama under $400,000. Please click the link in the comment section to see a list of updated homes at the time you watch this video. While you're in the comment section, leave me a comment. Let me know what school you would like to see next. As always, if you are interested in any of these homes, please feel free to reach out, give me a call. I'd be happy to schedule an appointment to show you any of these homes or any others that you might be interested in the area. Thanks for watching.